Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to mirror parts in Catia. For example, I will draw simple part, click sketch and choose axis plane. I will draw rectangle and also we draw circle at this point. Close sketch, use extrude tools to convert this sketch into 3D. Click at this icon and I will use default 20mm for length. Click OK. So we have this example part. If you want to mirror this part, you can go to insert menu, click transformation feature and click mirror tools. You need to specify for mirror elements, like I will select at this space so to be automatically mirrored to the region. You can see in preview, so this for preview, or the other option you can create for new plane. Use this icon plane. I will select this space for the planes and you can set for distance. We set into here 38 for distance. Click OK. Now we can mirror. Click insert, transformation feature, mirror. For element I will select this plane so it to be mirror in this point. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it, how to mirror parts in Catia. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.